Madami tayong napagdadaanan sa araw-araw. Malamang madami din tayong mga worries na iniisip, and sometimes we don't want to be a burden to our friends. But Jesus tells us today that we are not a burden to Him. Do not fear, only believe. Walang impossible sa Diyos. Ngunit higit pa sa katotohanan ito ay ang katotohanan mahal tayo ng Diyos. He wants us healed. He wants us to be fully alive in Him. He wants us to be happy. With Jairus' faith, his daughter lived, even if the people around him said otherwise. Kagaya ni Jairus, are we ready to put our fears and doubts behind and trust God's immense love for us? G ka ba?